Hi there! Today I'll show you on how to automate WhatsApp messages in Zoho CRM using Eazybe. First, you need to install the Eazybe plugin. Click on the link in the description to install it directly into your Zoho CRM. Once installed, you can set up a workflow to trigger WhatsApp messages. Now in Zoho CRM, go to Settings in the top right corner. Under Automation, click on Workflow Rules and then Create Rule. Choose the model you want this workflow to apply to, like contacts or deals. Give your workflow a name and set when it should be triggered. Next. Now we'll define when this workflow should run. For example, if you want a WhatsApp message to be sent when a deal reaches the negotiation stage, set the trigger conditions to deal stage to negotiation. Click Save and the trigger is ready. Next, under the Action section, click Add New Action and select Message on WhatsApp. Here enter sender phone to the WhatsApp number linked to Eazybe. Message, your custom message. You can personalize it using Zoho dynamic fields. Once done, save the action. Double check everything you triggered, action, and message. Once you're happy with the setup, click on Save and Activate. And that's it! Now WhatsApp messages will be automatically sent based on your workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out Eazybe.